Can you say hi, Emmy? Hey. Can you say hi? Hello? Yeah? You getting excited? Yeah. Can you look at the camera? Say hello. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Can you get a shout out? Hey. Yeah. Good smile. Yeah. And you're getting so tall. Look at those legs. Yeah, look at those arms. Handsome baby boy. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Can you say hello one more time? There's a good smile. Good job. Yeah. Yeah? So what more is there to say, huh? Uh-oh, now we got bubbles coming from the mouth. Yes, Emmett is definitely a morning person. Alright, can you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Alrighty.